one possible place here I've spotted where we can drive right from here to here, and I think I might found it. Patrick's little dirt bike track. So he'll ride down here. I don't even know what's at the end of here. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's got potential. Yes, got potential. Yes, oh, it's open here. It's got potential. Yes, he can ride up round here. So he can ride up round here. This little track. He can ride up round here. He's next to the motorway. He's not really going to be bothering anybody. Put in a comment if you're allowed to do this, because I'm not sure. I'm just trying. It's got a little fence there, safety. Yeah, he can ride here, and he can come here with his bike, and he can go down this hill. Ride down this hill. Oh yes, we found his track. We found it. We all found his track. So he'll drive down here. Let's walk his dirt bike track, because you can also come back up where I've just walked, because that's a big hill, and he can fly up that hill. He can fly up that hill on his dirt bike. So I think this is meant to be for Patrick. This is meant to be. Yeah, he's got lots of room. You can go up and down there. What a great spot. And there's a hill. And there's a fence, it's protected. And there's nobody around here. This doesn't be used by the looks of it. So he can go around here. He can ride here. Down by the hill. Through here. And then through this track, through here, give it a bit of power around this corner. Yeah, power on this corner, fly around it, up underneath the tree. Oh my God, there's another track goes right up here. This is a good track. Oh my goodness me. Look at this. We found the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail. Well, this is where I will be bringing him. But let's go and see what's in the Holy Grail on this trail. This is a track. Yeah. So I found Patrick's track. This is where he will be coming on his bike. I don't see anybody around that he can hurt, or we'll always be careful anyway. But you know what I mean? This is the, oh my goodness me. Look at what we've just found. We found this, look at this. This is going, this is going to be, he's going to need to put a lot of petrol in, because this is a track. This is a track and a half. Look at that. Do you know what? I don't even know how far this goes. What? Should we go all the way to the bottom? Go on. I'll make this Patrick's longest you're being followed here. Who are you following me? What are you following me for? Are you following me? What are you? I hope you're a cat. Bit weird looking. But we found the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail. Look at this. You wouldn't think you'd be able to find this. I was expecting somewhere in there, like, because I knew he had trees and whatever, and used to drive by. Thought could be little tracks in there, but I thought it'd be in the trees. But no, the trees is well covered. But no, the Holy Grail was next to the trees. So we found it. We found it. So that's it. We found our spot. And this goes on for a long time, so you need to... Let's go and check up here. Because... what's in there? What's in there? No, there's no trail in there. This is... it's massive. It doesn't look this big. When you drive by it, it's never ending. Just heard something then. In the bushes, did you hear that? I don't know what that was. I did hear something. Well, this is it. This is the end. That's his trail. This is what we will be using. We'll be using all this. We'll be using all this. All this will be used. Yes. No, not another track. No. No, nothing there. So that's it, guys. What do you think about that track? Do you think it's cool? We found it. And now we've got to walk home. All the way up the motorway. It's a bit of a walk. Like and subscribe and comment if you're from Beckton or from anywhere. Patrick's channel, we're out.